RP, Pimp C, RP, Tupac, bring Wayne back. Don't give a fuck if his baby tripping and Young Thug talking about some quarter six. He could never be Lil Wayne. Twisted dreadlock fit. Yes, sir. N.O. That's the motherfucking Louisiana. If it ain't Wayne or Boosie, I turn the channel. I do my damn thing. I really do, but Mr. Kyle. But the shit that goes around in Louisiana's Mr. Kyle. I'm saying, what the fuck, man? Hurricanes rushing. They shooting blacks. Blacks lives matter in the discussion. No, keep it going. I'm a saint like New Orleans. I just noticed one thing. Through the pain, I'm strolling like in love with that liquor. Fuck around now, the switcher break down guards, my nigga. Let's get high like I'm trying to speak. Rolling hard and trying to eat. I ain't got time to waste time in these damn streets. Bitch, I need some money. Bitch, I need some chicks. Bitch, I ain't worried about no mediocre fake chick playing games trying to fuck up my motherfucking cheddar. You say and you talk a lot, but you ain't about it, fella. You ain't about it, bitch. Y'all should fuck together. Fake goes with fake, and I'm on another level. Pistol on my side, pistol on my side. You don't wanna hear that pistol on my side. Let the pistol on my side, pistol on my side. You don't wanna hear that thing. Let the king talk. Let the pistol on my side, pistol on my side. You don't wanna hear that pistol on my side. Let the pistol on my side, pistol on my side. Let the king talk. Let the king. Well, they done legalize gay shit, and now the gunplay, bitch. But we can't get weed lit in every state, or if it's medical. But either way, you better be strapped. It's America. We don't give a fuck about the police, cause the Black Lives Matter and we gone in these streets. They want to harass your ass for a fucking zip. But then, on a peace fucking trip, they wanna have their guns out and our hands still be up. And these old fake ass motherfuckers talking about that we be fucking up the game. A lot of rappers that made it, and I ain't gonna lie, I hate they lane. But I got that thing, so let that king talk. And if you don't wanna listen, hell, the king is gonna be out. The king is not gonna be mad, broke, bit, drought. The queen knows it's time to grind now. Pistol on my side, pistol on my side. You don't wanna hear that. Pistol on my bitch, I'm home. Pistol on my side, pistol on my side. Kings need a queen. Bitch eat. Let the pistol on my side, pistol on my side. You don't wanna hear that. Pistol on my side. I'm on pistol on my side, pistol on my side. Let the king talk. Let the king talk. I'm on I-45. It's just me and my 45. And if I pull out and I do it in the Dre line, or it might just parking lot pimp, or it might be a drive-by. Meaning I'm just gonna pull it out, shoot up, and ain't gonna say hi, and ain't no speaking. Pills on deck, I keep them heads tweaking. Austin, yes sir, Compton, the bitch, Longhorns on motherfucking Red Fever and 6.
22 still, no third warrior in double figures. Poor Elias Selva, long three against Blake Griffin. Two very versatile power forward. There's a Bogut screen in the open. As Barnes puts it in, that was almost a poor Curry for three. Puts it in. Those are incredible shots, but I'm to the big fourth quarter. Look at this handle. Very well.
Handles like Kyrie, or motherfucking Iverson or Curry. With them braids, hell, I hold my own. Georgetown, Hoya, DC, my home. National capital. I'm swaggin', I'm ballin', I'm ballin', I wish